Good morning, students. What was learned in the previous class? Some problems will be discussed in Unit 1. In the Unit 1, you have to we have to discuss electric charges are in the rest. Okay, many concepts will be explained in the Unit 1 chapter. Then all the phenomena will be electric field, electric potential difference, electric potential energy. Potential energy, gas law, all are discussed in the previous class. And then you learn some question in the Unit 1. So I request you to you have to learn the remaining part of the Unit 1. Now today I start the Unit 2, that is current electricity. Okay, so the current electricity, the Unit 2, it will be completely based on the electrons are being moving. One conductor is there. In the first chapter we discussed the charges in the rest in the conductor. Okay, but in the today's session the charges will be moving. Normally one conductor is there, number of electrons it will be in a conductor, it will be in a moving in a random motion, random move aayite da irukum. Okay, that will be discussed in this session. Okay, so first the second unit is current electricity. In this unit I explained this session the electric current. Okay, let us enter this topic. First you should know about what is current, what is electricity. What is current, ma? Current is nothing but flow of electrons. What's the meaning that flow of electrons? You taking one conductor, the conductor is having some electrons. Okay, having some electron, you have to apply one energy. The energy will be stimulate the electron to be flow through the conductor from one point to another point. So flow of electrons will be called as current. Okay, so flow of electrons to be flow from one point to another point, it will be called as current. Okay, so flow of electrons is current. What is the electricity? What's the difference between current and electricity? Electricity is study of flow of current. What's the current? It will be flowing from one point to another point. Number of electrons will be traveled from one point to another point. It will be discussed, it will be studied, that is called electricity. Okay, so current is the flow of electrons, but electricity is study of flow of current. It will be the difference between current and electricity. Okay, so the current and electricity, and then now voltage term is there. Voltage is distance between the potential difference between the one point to another point. One conductor you have to take, and the current will be flowing from one point to another point. You choose the 2 points, the current in the first point and current in the second point, you have to calculate, that is called voltage. Voltage is nothing but current value is in between the 2 points. So difference between the 2 points you have to analyze, that is called potential, that is called voltage. Voltage, that the term it will be derived from Alexander Volta. And Alexander Volta is a scientist. It will be analyze the electricity, analyze the current, and it giving the potential difference. Okay, he did the experiment and to give the potential difference definition. And then now what's the current flow? How to current will be flow from one point to another point. I will give one example to explain that current flow. Take one pipe having water. Okay, you hold at one side. Okay, you hold the pipe at one side. You ask to a friend to hold at the other one side. The pipe having water. Okay, both of them it will be keep the pipe, keep the tube will be the same height. Okay, same height. The water to be flow or not, ma? Water cannot flow because the tube it will be the tube taking the one tube. Okay, the tube having water. The tube having water. Water will be filled in the tube. Okay, you keep one side the tube, you hold one side of the tube, and you ask a friend to hold the another one side of the tube. You both of them it will be keep the tube in the same height. Water does not flow in the either sides. Rendu side valiyavum water flow aga mudiyadhu. Suppose you hold the tube in the upside of your hand, you raise your hand upwards, the tube will be moving in a certain height position. So the tube will be moving in some height. So the water will be flow to high to low. வாட்டரை ஒரு டியூப்பில் இருக்குது அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் ரெண்டு சைட்லேயும் சேம் ஹைட்டில் பிடிச்சிருந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா வாட்டர் அதுக்குள்ளே தான் இருக்கும், ஃப்ளோ ஆகாது. பட் ஒரு டியூபோட ஒரு சைடில் நீங்கள் மேலே தூக்குறீங்க அப்படின்னா வாட்டர் என்ன செய்யும், மேலேருந்து கீழே ஈஸியாக ஃப்ளோ ஆகும். தட் இஸ் கால் கரண்ட். So current it will be always flow from higher potential to lower potential. water it will be flow from high to low. Okay, water it will be flow from high to low. That is same way the current will be flowing from higher potential to lower potential. Okay, so what is current, and then what is electricity, what is voltage difference, and how can the water to be current to be flow. Current is always flows from higher potential to lower potential, and then all are discussed in the first. Okay, and then current, and then what's the current, what is the electricity, and what are the terms it will be used in the electricity, and then now what is current. Current already I said. What is current, ma? What is current? Current I is equal to number of electrons is flowing per time. So charge is flowing per particular time. So Q by T will be called as current. Current I is equal to Q by T. So the unit of current I is equal to coulomb. Charge of unit of charge is coulomb, and unit of time is second. Coulomb per second or ampere. Okay, ampere. Okay, so current formula is Q by T, charge by time, and coulomb per second or ampere. Okay, this is the unit of current. Then unit of current, when the current value, ampere value is 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb charge. It will be falling in a conductor in 1 second. Okay, so 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb of charge. It will be flowing in 1 second. It will be called as 1 ampere. Okay, so this is the formula for current. This is the unit of current. And 1 ampere, how will you define the 1 unit of current? That is 1 ampere of current is equal to 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb of charge. It will be flowing in 1 second. It will be called as 1 ampere. Okay, then this is, and second one, average current. Average current is equal to del Q by del T. Change in current, change in charges by change in time. Del Q by del T is called as average current. Average current is nothing but more and more current value. It will be more and more charges will be flowing in 1 second. You took the measurement to add all the charges will be flowing in all the time. You have to note down. Will be collectively, you calculate the average current will be flowing in the conductor. That is called average current is equal to del Q by del T. Then instantaneous current. Instantaneous current means limiting value of average current. So instantaneous current it will be equal to limiting value of, limit means limit LIM till T tends to 0 start panni del Q by del T. Okay, that is called instantaneous current. Instantaneous current means instantly the current will be flowing, the current it will be calculated. That is called instantaneous current. That is current, that is average current, that is instantaneous current. Okay, current I is equal to Q by T. Average current I is equal to I average is equal to del Q by del T, and instantaneous current I is equal to limit del T tends to 0, that is del Q by del T. So that all are the current values will be calculated by current formula, and then average current formula, and instantaneous current formula. Okay, then what is current, what is electricity, what is potential difference, how the current will be flow from high to low, and then what's the formula for current, what's the unit of current, what is the average current, what is instantaneous current, all are discussed. Okay, then now that is conventional current. Conventional current is nothing but is a direct current. Conventional current is nothing but directional current. What's the meaning that directional current? Current is always flowing from positive to negative. Current will be always flows from positive to negative. You making one electric circuit, the battery will be connected, and then current will be flowing. One bulb is there. Okay, one bulb is there, the current will be flowing from positive to negative. That the battery positive is there, the current will be flowing from positive to negative. Okay, it will be flowing from positive to negative. Then uniquely the direction does not change. The current will be passing from one point to another point in a straight manner. That is the directional current. Unidirectional current. Unidirectional current it will be called as conventional current. Suppose the current will be flowing from negative to positive, negative direction RMG, negative point RMG. So number of electrons will be high in a circuit. The electrons will be passing from negative to positive, the conventional current will be taken as negative. Okay, so the conventional current is nothing but current will be moving in a one direction. ஒரே direction current flow ஆகுதுன்னா அது பேர் unidirectional current and then conventional current. Conventional current will be called as a directional current. Okay, directional current தான் conventional current சொல்லுவோம், direct current. Okay, that is called conventional current. Then conventional current will be falling from positive to negative. Okay, not only the battery only having current, battery only giving the current. Battery மட்டும் தான் கரண்ட்டை கொடுக்கும், எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி போர்டு ஒன்று தான் கரண்ட்டை கொடுக்கும்னா கிடையாது. In the natural phenomena, lightning will be create a high much of electricity. Lightning, how to create the lightning ma? The two clouds will be striking with one another. The two clouds in between some electricity will be produced. That the electricity will be converted in a sound form and light form. Okay, sound form it will be in a thunder and light form it will be in a lightning. So lightning will be created between the cloud to cloud. Cloud to cloud ke idella lightning create agum. That the time high much of electricity to be created, that the electricity will be falling from cloud to ground. That is also electricity. Electricity not only derived from the batteries, not only derived from the electricity board. We definitely and then some nature will be create some electricity. Okay, then next we will go for drift velocity. What is the meaning that drift velocity? Drift velocity is nothing but electrons to be flow in a conductor, but the electron having some velocity, that is called drift velocity. ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான் மூவ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்குது அப்படின்னா கண்டிப்பாக அதுக்குன்னு ஒரு ஸ்பீட் இருக்கும், அப்படி தானே? அந்த ஸ்பீடுக்கு பேர் தான் வெலாசிட்டி, தட் இஸ் drift velocity. Drift velocity, before under this topics, first we know that what is ion. Ion என்ன அப்படின்னு உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். Ion, what is mean by ion? By using the chemistry terms, for example, I take one sodium atom. Okay, sodium is 11, 281. The atomic number is 11. Sodium atomic number is 11. We divide into the 11, 281. So first subatomic level 2 atoms is there, 2 electrons is there, and second level 8 electrons is there. Okay, already you learn in 11th standard. 8 electrons is there, 2, 8, again 1. Okay, that is 1 electron. This level, the atom containing 8 electrons, they are required to fill the other 7 electrons, but the atom having only 1 electron in the outermost, that is called free electrons. That the free electrons will be contribute the current flowing in the circuit or anything. ஒரு ஆட்டமில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஃப்ரீ அவுட்டர் லேயரில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான் தான் கரண்ட்டை க்ரியேட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ரீசன். ஓகே, ஸோ த ஃப்ரீ எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் it will be lose this atom, it will be lose the free electrons to the nearby atom. இந்த ஆட்டம் ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான் அதுக்கு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா இருக்குது, அந்த எலக்ட்ரான் என்ன செய்யும், லூஸ் பண்ணிடும் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிறதுக்கு. அப்படி லூஸ் பண்ணுது அப்படின்னா this atom it will be form a positive ion. So positive ion is nothing but losing one electron will be create the atom, it will be called as positive ion. But gaining one electron, one atom gain, suppose the outermost level only 7 electrons is there. outermostல 7 இருக்குது, 8 ஃபில் ஆகிருக்கணும், பட் 7 இருக்குது, இங்கே 1 எக்ஸ்ட்ரா இருக்குது, இங்கே 1 தேவைப்படுது. அப்போ என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா இது வந்து இதுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கணும், இந்த எலக்ட்ரானை அப்படியே ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஷேர் பண்ணும்போது இது பாசிட்டிவ் அயானாகவும் இது நெகட்டிவ் அயானாகவும் மாறும். வை? பை கிவிங். ஒரு எலக்ட்ரானை கொடுத்தோன்னே வள்ளல் ஆயிரும், தட் இஸ் பாசிட்டிவ் அயான். ஒரு எலக்ட்ரானை வாங்கினோடனே இது கடனாளி ஆயிரும், தட் இஸ் நெகட்டிவ் அயான். Okay, that is a positive ion, that is a negative ion. So one atom will be losing one electron, it will be to form a positive ion. One atom will be gaining one electron from the nearby one, it will be called as a negative ion. This is a completely chemistry. But in our physics, positive, how to create a positive ion and negative ion, how the free electrons will be contribute to the current flowing, that is also explained in this topic. So ions to be created, the ions will be in between the current flowing. ஒரு கண்டக்டர் இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், அந்த கண்டக்டரில் one conductor will be taken as the electrons will be flowing in between some ions is there. இங்கெல்லாம் ions இருக்கும். Okay, in between some ions is there, that the ions will be positive or negative, anything like that. Electrons will be moving, it will be strike out to the ions, it will be turns back. Okay, the electrons will be moving in a conductor but strike over to the ions, it will be scattered to the ions, it will be turns back to their direction. So the current will be moving in a zigzag direction. Okay, zigzagly the current will be moving, but all the times the electrons are having some velocity that is called tripped velocity Vd. Okay, so tripped velocity is Vd. The electrons will be moving in a zigzag motion. Velocity is there, so definitely the velocity will be changing by time. So definitely the acceleration to be created, that's the acceleration A is equal to normally acceleration A is equal to velocity by time. Okay, normally A is equal to velocity by time. Velocity velocity is equal to V into D. Time is, in this question, time it will be calculated as tau. Tau is the time interval between the two successive collisions. Okay, Vd is the drift velocity and tau is the time interval between the two successive collisions. And then A, what is A? F is equal to ma formula in the Newton's second law. Okay, F is equal to ma. A is equal to F by m. What's the formula? That is electrostatic formula is equal to minus E into E by m. Because the electric field is taken as a negative direction also, because the electrons will be moving in a forward direction. Some ions is there, it will be scattered and it will be moving in a retrace their path. The electrons, it will be moving in a forward direction. Some scatter is there, it will be moving in a front position. So opposite sidely the force will be created and then that is called zigzag motion. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி போயிட்டு வரும். ஸோ ஆப்போசிட்லேயும் வரும், அதனால் பாசிட்டிவ் அண்ட் நெகட்டிவ் டைரக்ஷன் இஸ் தேர். ஸோ ஃப்ரண்ட்டில் போய்ட்டு பேக்கில் வர்றதுனால வில் பி புட் த நெகட்டிவ் சைன். எஃப் பை எம் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு மைனஸ் இஇ பை எம். ஓகே, ஸோ நவ் வி வாண்ட் ஏ இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு இஇ பை எம். Substitute this value. Vd is equal to, in this equation Vd is equal to A into tau. Okay, A yoda value minus EE by m into tau. Okay, EE by m into tau minus EE by m into tau. Then minus E மட்டும் தனியாக எடுத்துங்க, E tau by m into E. Okay, this is called mobility. And the negative sign is not there, mobility. So minus mu E. So tripped velocity Vd is equal to minus mu into E. That is, mu is the mobility. Mobility is equal to E tau by m. Mobility is nothing but mu is equal to Vd by m minus Vd by E. You taking the magnitude part, mu is equal to magnitude of Vd by magnitude of E. Why you taking the magnitude ma? Magnitude is not, does not have the positive and negative values. So my Vd vector by modulus of Vd vector by modulus of E vector. So mu is equal to Vd by E. Okay, so what does mean that mobility ma? Mobility will be defined as unit tripped velocity per unit electric field. So amount of tripped velocity per unit electric field. ஒரு யூனிட் எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்ட் அப்ளை பண்ணும்போது எவ்வளோ ட்ரிப்ட் வெலாசிட்டி இருக்குது அப்படின்னு பார்க்குறதா mobility. So unit of mobility is equal to volt per second, meter by volt per second. So meter volt per minus 1, second per minus 1. That is called as the unit of mobility. Okay, so mobility value formula is mu is equal to minus Vd by E. Mu is equal to Vd by E, modulus of Vd by E. What's the meaning that modulus? You taking the negative value or positive sign. Positive negative எதுவுமே கிடையாது, வேல்யூ மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கிறது தான் modulus. So unit of mobility is meter per volt second. So meter volt per minus 1, second per minus 1. So that is the tripped velocity and mobility. Okay, tripped velocity is nothing but is the velocity of the electrons will be moving from one point to another point. Then we calculate the tripped velocity Vd is equal to A into tau. A is the acceleration. Acceleration will be derived from the force formula F is equal to ma. We substitute the acceleration value in this equation, minus E by m into tau. Then taking E tau by m, it will be taken as mu, that is mobility. Mobility formula is equal to mu is equal to E tau by m. Okay, then mobility mu is equal to Vd by E. So you are taking the modulus, mu is equal to modulus of Vd by modulus of E, and then unit of mobility is equal to meter per volt per minus 1, second per minus 1. That is called tripped velocity. Always the tripped velocity value is 10 power minus 4 meter per second. Always the tripped velocity value is 10 power minus 4 meter per second. Okay, 10 power minus 4 meter per second அப்படினா is a very less value of electrons. ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான் இவ்வளோ வேல்யூவில் இருக்குது அப்படின்னா comparably the board to switch to bulb the electrons will be taking the 1 hour to travel from both switch to bulb. ஒரு ஸ்விட்சை போட்டோன்னே பல்க்கு கரண்ட் ரீச் ஆகிறதுக்கான ஸ்பீடு 10⁻⁴ இருந்துச்சுன்னா எலக்ட்ரானுடைய ஸ்பீடு 10⁻⁴ இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். எலக்ட்ரான் டஸ் நாட் டேக்கிங் த 1 hour time to moving switch to bulb. It's not possible because you immediately on the switch, immediately the bulb to be glow. Why? How? So the speed of the electron is 10⁻⁴. On the speed of the electron speed does not taking the 1 hour time to moving both to bulb. Okay, switch to bulb. How is it possible? Immediately you want the switch, immediately the bulb to be glow, immediately the fan will be run. Have to think it. Or one wire will be connected between the switch to bulb, that the wire will be having number of electrons. You have to on the switch, just giving the energy to the first electron. First electron will be moving automatically, all the electrons to be running continuously. Balls is there, one ball it will be touched, immediately all the bulbs will be run and immediately it will be taking the solution. That the same way conductor is always having all the parts some electrons. You have to applying the energy it will be stimulate the electrons, electrons to be running and then touch the another one electron, touch the another one electron, touch the another one. Continuously the process will be continuous and then charge of electrons will be flow, number of electrons to be flow, charge will be flow, the current will be create and immediately the bulb will be glow. Simple meaning 10⁻⁴ meter per second இருக்கும்போது இவ்வளோ ஸ்பீடில் ஒரு பல்பு க்ளோ ஆகணும் அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் ஸ்விட்ச் ஆன் பண்ண உடனே 1 hour டைம் எடுக்கும் இந்த ஸ்பீடில் எலக்ட்ரான் மூவ் ஆனால் நார்மலாக நம்ம ஸ்விட்ச் போட்டோடனே பல்ப் க்ளோ ஆகிடுது. ஏன் அப்படின்னா அந்த கண்டக்டரில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒயர் தான் நம்ம கனெக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அந்த ஒயரில் வந்து எல்லா இடத்துலையும் எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் இருக்கும். நீங்கள் ஸ்விட்ச் ஆன் பண்ணோடனே எனர்ஜி வந்து அதுக்கு கொடுக்குறீங்க. ஸோ எலக்ட்ரான் ரன் ஆக ஆரம்பிக்கும். எல்லா இடத்துலையும் எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் இருக்கிறதுனால ஒன்றை தட்டி விட்டோன்னே ஒரு பாலை டச் பண்ணால் எல்லா பாலும் கண்டினியூஸாக உருளும்ல, அதே மாதிரி எல்லா electrons it will be immediately running by applying the electrical energy. So immediately the current to be created, immediately the bulb to be glow. Okay, that is called drift velocity. And now some misconception. Some misconception means some concept. Misconception. First one, battery is a source of electrons. Battery is a source of electrons. Battery is a source of electrons. Is it true, ma? No. Battery is a source of electrons? No. Battery is just giving the electrical energy to the electrons, not a source of electrons. Battery is a source of electrons. This concept is correct. Battery having charge, the charge will be easily is applied to the mobile or it will be recharging. That is not a correct concept. Battery is a source of electrons is a wrong concept because battery just the electrical energy to the electrons to be moving, and then electricity board does not giving the current. Sometimes the power it will be off. We all are tells that current is not there. You ask the electricity board to supply the current. That's not a good, because the electricity board just is giving the electrical energy to stimulate the electrons only, not a complete current. Just energy mattumda kudukudhu, that the energy it will be stimulate the electrons will be running and to be create the electricity. Okay, and second one, my mobile is, first one is battery is a source of electron, and second one is my mobile is no charge, has no charge, and mobile is now charging. That's a concept also misconcept. My mobile is not, my mobile is charging now. What's the meaning that charging now? Already no charge is there, you have to charge the mobile by applying the electricity. This is not a correct one, because mobile is not having the charge. Mobile battery will be having the electrons. You get the electrical energy from the plug, then you have to get the energy, that the energy will be stimulate the electrons in the battery it will be charging. That is called mobile is charging. மொபைல் வந்து நம்ம சார்ஜ் பண்ண போகிறோம் நம்ம சொல்கிறோம்ல, என் மொபைலில் சார்ஜ் இல்லை, சார்ஜ் பண்ண போகிறோம்னு சொல்கிறோம்ல, அது வந்து கரெக்ட் கிடையாது. ஏன்னா சார்ஜ் நம்ம வந்து எலக்ட்ரிக் போர்டில் வந்து நம்ம கெட் பண்ணிக்க முடியாது. ஜஸ்ட் எனர்ஜியை மட்டும் தான் கெட் பண்ண போகிறோம். நம்ம பேட்டரியில் யாருமே எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் இருக்கும், நீங்கள் ப்ளக் பண்ணோடனே அந்த எனர்ஜி எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் ஸ்டிமுலேட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அந்த எலக்ட்ரான்ஸை ரன் பண்ண வச்சு கரண்ட்டை க்ரியேட் பண்ணும். That's the matter. That is the misconception in the electricity, current electricity. Okay, one is battery is a source of electrons. Source of electrons means A battery does not having the source of electrons, just giving the electrical energy. Battery will be giving the electrical energy to the electrons, and then electricity board is always supplying the electric current. Okay, then second, mobile is charging means mobile will be getting the electrical energy from the AC current. AC current means alternating current. Or நம்ம வீட்டில் போர்டு இருக்கும், அந்த போர்டில் இருந்து சப்ளை ஆகக்கூடிய வந்து எலக்ட்ரிக் கரண்ட். That the electric current it will be supply the mobile to be charging. That are the misconceptions of electrons. Okay, then next is microscopic model of current. Microscopic model of current, we taking one conductor, okay, taking one conductor, the conductor having one length, having the length L, okay, the conductor having the length L, so you choose one area, the area is A, okay, volume is V, okay, the current will be flowing left to right or right to left. We using the battery, the conductor, the current will be moving one point to another point. The current will be following the number of free electrons will be moving in a one point to another point, and first the electric field will be passed on to the conductors, and then V is equal to voltage difference, V is equal to E into L, because how much amount of electric field will be passing on unit particular length. ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் லென்த்துக்கு நீங்கள் கண்டக்டர் எடுத்துருக்கீங்கன்னா அதில் எவ்வளோ எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்ட் அப்ளை ஆகுதோ அதுதான் அதோடைய வோல்டேஜ். ஸோ வோல்டேஜ் V is equal to E into L. Now we will calculate microscopic model of current. We want current in this picture. So current formula is V is equal to average current is equal to del Q by del T. Normally current I is equal to Q by T. So average current is I is equal to del Q by dt. We want del Q. What's the meaning that del Q? Del Q is nothing but charge into number of charges in volume element, number of electrons in volume element. Okay, charge into number of electrons in volume element. Okay, now what is number of electrons in the volume element? Number of electrons in the volume element is equal to number of electrons in the given volume element is equal to okay, charge into number of electrons in a volume into, not a charge, volume into number of electrons in a given volume, okay. So volume now, not normally volume will be tell us length into area. So area length is dx, so distance is dx, a into dx, okay, a dx into n. So number of electrons in the given volume a dx into n. First we want I is equal to del Q by del T. Del Q is charge into number of electrons in the volume element. So now number of electrons in the volume element we didn't know. So number of electrons in the given volume element is equal to volume into number of electrons in the given volume. So volume is nothing but area into distance. So area A dx is a distance and dx is a distance. That's the distance dx, and A into dx into number of electrons in the given volume is n. Now dx value we substitute. V is equal to velocity Vd is equal to dx by dt. Okay, so velocity is equal to change in distance by time. So dx is equal to Vd into dt. Okay, so Vd into dt you have substitute a dx, so a into Vd into dt into n. So that is called number of electrons in the given volume element. We substitute the formula. With this, substitute this value in this part. So del Q is equal to, now we substitute the number of electrons in the given element in this equation. Del Q is equal to charge is E, okay, and then number of electrons in the volume element A Vd dt into n. Substitute this A Vd dt into n, okay. Then I is equal to dq by dt. So del q by dt and dq by dt is the same. So dq by dt and del q by dt, del q you have to substitute in this equation. N del q is n e a vd in the dt by in the dt. dq oda value substitute பண்ணிருக்கோம். ஓகேவா? Then dt cancel, that is n e a vd, that is the current. So microscopic model of current, we consider one conductor at a particular length, at a particular volume. We calculate the current value. I is equal to n e a vd. So n is the number of electrons, e is the charge of one electron, a is the area, and vd is the drift velocity. Okay, I is equal to n e a vd. We calculate the I value, we easily calculate the current density. Current density is nothing but J is equal to current by unit area. ஒரு யூனிட் ஏரியாவில் கரண்ட் எவ்வளோ ஃபாலோ ஆகுதுன்னு பார்க்குறது தான் கரண்ட் டென்சிட்டி. ஸோ கரண்ட் டென்சிட்டி J is equal to I by A. ஸோ யூனிட் ஆஃப் கரண்ட் டென்சிட்டி இஸ் unit of current is ampere, unit of area is meter square, area by meter square or sorry ampere by meter square or ampere meter per minus 2. This is the unit of current density. Okay, so current density J is equal to I by A. Current density is a vector quantity because it will be explain the current direction also. So the current density will be in a vector quantity. Then we substitute the I value in this part. N E A V D, strike the A in numerator and denominator. J is equal to N E V D, A cancel V D. This is the current density J. Okay, now we substitute the V D value, drift velocity value. Drift velocity is a minus e square by tau by m. So n e already e V D oda value e tau by m. Okay, minus e tau by m. So V D க்கு பதிலா போடும்போது இங்கே e இருக்கு. So e square tau by m into e. Okay, into e. Then n e square tau by m into e வரும். That is called as conductivity, that is sigma, minus sigma. So J is equal to minus sigma into E vector, that is conductivity, and resistivity is equal to reciprocal of the conductivity, that is m by n E square tau. Okay, so that is this concept we explain the current and current density. First, what's the way the current to be calculated? The current, we consider one conductor having the length, having the volume, and then the conductor, the current flowing in the conductor I is equal to del q by del t. Del q is nothing but is a charge into number of electrons in the volume element, and we want number of electrons in the volume element. Number of electrons in the given volume element is equal to volume into number of electrons in the given volume. So A into dx, volume is equal to A into area into distance, so A into dx into n. So A into dx oda value, dx is equal to Vd into dt. So substitute the Vd into dt, A into Vd into dt into n. Okay, A Vd dt into n, and substitute the dx value or del q value in this equation. So number of electrons in the given volume element in this equation. Then we get del q value and substitute the del q value in the current. We calculate I is equal to n e a v d, and then we calculate the current density. Current density J is equal to I by area, current by area. Substitute the current value and calculate the current density n e v d. The unit of current density is ampere per meter square, and substitute the V D value. V D is E tau by m into E. So n E square tau by m into E. Okay, so that is called as a conductivity sigma. So minus sigma into E. Resistivity is the reciprocal of conductivity. So 1 by sigma is equal to m into n E square tau. The value அப்படியே உல்டாவா போட்டிங்கன்னா அது பேர் resistivity. So this is called microscopic model of current. In this session we have discussed current, potential difference, and how the way the current will be flow, then drift velocity, and then mobility, and then microscopic model of current. Some misconception will be followed in the day-to-day life. The all are discussed in this session. Then again, current is a scalar quantity, but current density is a vector quantity, because current it will be explained I is equal to J into A, current density into area. But area will be denoted as a unit vector of xy axis. xy axis la endha edathila pogudo adha mattum dhaan nama denote பண்ணுவோமே தவிர current கான direction நம்ம denote பண்ண மாட்டோம். So current is always taken as a scalar product of current density and area. Okay, so that all are you have to read thoroughly first, and then again you have to learn that part also. Then today home assignment, Home assignment for today's session, learn and write the microscopic model of current. Okay, what's the way the current will be derived in the microscopic model? That will be learn in this topic. So learn and write the microscopic model of current. Okay, thank you.